Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to change the keyboard on the iPad 2021. Go to the App Store, search for Gboard, and download the app. Open Gboard, tap, get started twice, and enable the keyboard. Go to Settings, scroll down to General, then Keyboard, and select Keyboards. Select Gboard and toggle Allow Full Access on. Go back to Gboard, tap Understood, and choose Keyboard Themes. Pick a theme or select an image to customize your keyboard. The keyboard theme has now changed. Good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.